Our today guest on our seminar of Social, Economic Geography and Spatial Management is a professor of geography from University of Linköping in Sweden, Josephina Syssner, and she is a researcher studying depopulation and development and planning in depopulating areas. And she will talk about how important it is to study depopulation not only in cities, shrinking cities, but also in rural areas. And we'll also discuss with her to what extent experiences of Nordic countries with a different environment than Poland can be still useful to bring conclusions for our research in Poland.
Yeah, the research on depopulation and shrinkage, it's actually started in the bigger cities, mostly in the US, where planning researchers saw that cities like Detroit and Philadelphia lost a big share of their population in a very short period of time. And in these cities, it was very palpable that the city was shrinking and the infrastructure became oversized very quickly. So they did a great job in actually understanding what shrinkage is and how it affects a society. But now time has come to broaden the focus and to study also those rural and peripheral areas that are facing population decline. We will always need comparisons between different state structures, between different kinds of government, and between countries with different geographical and demographic conditions. So I'm confident that the Scandinavian and Nordic countries will certainly learn from countries in continental Europe and East and Western Europe and vice versa. So we need international collaboration among researchers. We need comparative research, because even if the systems aren't completely similar, we can still learn a lot from each other. So I'm very happy to share knowledge with you on this issue.